Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix this app has been blocked by your system administrator. So let's get started our video. First of all, you have to open the run box by pressing the window plus R key at once, and then you have to just search here regedit and then click OK. After this, a new page will be open for you. You have to just click on the H key local machine and then expand it. After, you have to just click on the software and expand it. Now you have to just search here an option Microsoft. After searching that, you have to just expand that option and then search the Windows option. Here you will find here this option at the bottom of the page. Then you have to just expand the current version option, and here you will find an option of policies. Just click on the policies and expand it. After expanding, you will find here an option system. Just click on it. The right side of this page you will find the options about the system. You have to just select this option here, which is named as enable LUA. You have to just right click here and then click on the modify option here. After this, a new pop-up will be open for you. You have to just change the value here, which is 1. You have to just turn this value to the 0 and then click OK. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. So that's all for this video. Give this video a like and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks.